Okay, I'm gonna show you today how I changed my StatLock by myself. You can see the old one sort of really needs to be changed. And push the little button in. And this one is so loose I don't need to do anything to help remove it. Standard package. This is what a new one looks like. The base swivels, so when you move, the catheter moves with you. I'm going to set that down so it won't fall out of my lap. First step is using the skin prep. I pre-open these so I don't fumble with them for half a minute each. And it's recommended to use a circular motion. And sometimes I use an extra strip of tape down here when I know I'm going to be transferring a lot or carrying stuff in my lap to help keep it in place farther so that the tubing don't kink quite so badly. Fan. A small hand fan like this helps make things like skin prep dry a lot faster. Because if you put a StatLock on your skin while the skin prep is still wet, it will not stick. And the skin prep helps the StatLock to adhere better, and it protects your skin from any irritation. And 2 coats of skin prep works really, really good for me. I missed the trash can. I heard that wrapper hit the floor. I'll pick that up when I get done. And this really does help the skin prep dry faster. Another tip, if you have a handheld fan like this and you've got spots that you have trouble getting dry with when you get out of the shower, works for that too. And see, I carefully draped this over my control box so that the catheter wouldn't get any tugging on it in the process. There's a little spot here so that there's a channel for the funnel and one for the insertion port. And you press down and it snaps firmly. It's recommended when you put it on to snap it before you put it in position, because when you wait till you position it, it may create pressure on your leg. And doing it this way, you can move it around and get the best possible positioning. And there's 2 tabs under here over the adhesive like a band-aid. One at a time. And then the other one. And that's really all there is to it and all the amount of time it takes. And thanks for watching.